Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you about Zoom Rooms, so stay tuned. Zoom is a really popular video conferencing app, and in addition to video conferencing, they also provide full conference solutions for groups of people that want to meet in physical conference rooms. That's where Zoom Rooms comes in. So as you can see, this is what it looks like when you're using Zoom Rooms. Essentially, you can have several different people working remotely, and you can join a meeting very easily. And it's $49 a month per room subscription. So essentially it's conference rooms that make it easy to run or join video meetings with the tap of a button. So that's pretty cool. If you already have a video conference room system set up, like Polycom or any of these other ones, you can use the Zoom Conference Room connector, and you can already utilize those existing systems and leverage them with Zoom to still connect through Zoom. Zoom Rooms has a lot of great features. It's one touch to join, really nice audio and video quality, one-click wireless share, and you can even put it on your calendar so nobody can miss a meeting. You can also share multiple desktops at the same time in the same room, which is really cool if you want to show dual presentations or maybe a spreadsheet and a video or a task board and something else. It's really useful. You can have one-click proximity share, you can share via the browser, and you can integrate using AV. I think this one is super cool. So you can have interactive whiteboarding capabilities. So essentially you can use a whiteboard feature within Zoom that everybody can see, and it's as if everybody was in the physical room and you're drawing on the whiteboard, which is super cool. You can co-annotate across desktop, mobile, and Zoom Rooms. You can save the whiteboarding sessions, and you can open up 12 whiteboards at a time, which is a lot. It's also optimized for tons of different room sizes. So whether you have an executive room, a huddle room, which is pretty small, conference room, which is pretty common, or like a training room, it will work for all of those. You can manage the software in the different rooms and spaces that you have Zoom Rooms in just from the app. You can have role-based administration and alerts for room issues, set and manage rooms by location hierarchies, remote management and software provisioning, really cool stuff. And you could have scheduling display and digital signage at no additional cost, which is pretty cool. So you can deploy a meeting space booking system with room utilization capabilities, and you can share images, video, and URLs across any display around your office, which is really powerful. Tons of different big companies are using it, like Uber, Dropbox, 21st Century Fox, etc. And they have a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out and you can see what it's like. I can put a link down in the description for Zoom Rooms. I'll put a link down in the description for you if you want to check out Zoom Rooms and give it a try. There are tons of different resources on their website. If you're looking for a solution for your conference rooms and you want to be able to meet more fluidly and have a lot of rich features included, then Zoom Rooms is for you. Zoom is an amazing video conferencing tool, and with Zoom Rooms you can extend that capability. If you liked this video, smash the like button. Say yes in the comments below if you're going to start using Zoom Rooms. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.
Hey, thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. If you liked the content in this video and want to see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button. Make sure to click the little bell icon and turn on all notifications so when I come out with new content, you'll be notified.